Hello guys and welcome to a fantastic furniture installation session. We're installing a brand new filling station in Yaounde, and guys, I give you blessing filling station. Now this is a brand new blessing filling station at Minkan, Chefferie Minkan in Yaounde. If you look at the Chefferie right down there, and the filling station is just by the road. Come on guys, let's go inside. So this is the main hall where most of the furniture is going to be. You have here all the stands where you have drinks, you have some oil, you have all those things put here. Now this baby has been done, manufactured 100% maison modern. We're going to have that arranged here on this side over here. Here we'll have the counter where you have we're coming to pay the money for fuel, whatever they're going to buy in the shop. In the middle we'll have right here the stand where you have biscuits, chips, whatever you want is going to be right here. And down here we're going to have the bar. The sandwich bar is going to go right here facing that way, and then the bins on that side. All this furniture we have here is going to be installed, and this place is going to be looking really nice and tidy. We have already started installing decoration on the wall. You can see we've done that already all around here using the same colors. We're going to do the same thing on this side here up to here. And guess what guys? Starting tomorrow, Tuesday 21st, at Minkan Chefferie in Yaounde, you can get your fuel here. Check this out. Look, the filling station is already done. You got all the fans ready. The fuel is already pumping. So you can get your fuel, good fuel, at Blessing, a Cameroonian-owned filling station. Let's consume Cameroon, made in Cameroon. My name is Leonie. I'll be back when we've installed all the furniture. Peace and ciao.